When installing our car radio, there is no need to remove the parts inside the red box. First, remove the air vent panel. Unscrew the two screws here. Take out the unit and unplug the rear connectors. Unscrew the screws and remove the radio screen. Unplug the rear connectors. Unscrew the screws, take out the unit, and unplug the rear connectors. Scan the QR code to contact customer service and you will receive faster technical support. This is the car radio and accessories for Chevrolet Cruze. The back of a car radio. Locate the 16-pin power harness and plug it in here. Locate the 8-pin power plug for the protocol box on the power harness and plug it in here. Locate the 20-pin audio-visual multi-function plug and insert it here. Please connect the black fan connector to the one on the 20-pin cable. Then connect the microphone connector. Connect the 4-pin OEM USB connector. This end needs to be connected to the original car USB plug later. Connect the 6-pin USB plug. This 10-pin cable is used for reverse video input, brake detection, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth antenna connections. Connect the GPS antenna plug. Connect the radio antenna and plug the other end into the original car radio antenna connector. This large black plug will connect to the original car power harness plug later. If your vehicle has a matching connector for this small black plug, connect them together. If not, leave it disconnected. This plug needs to be connected to the matching original car connector later. This is the original car power connector. This white plug does not need to be connected. Mate this black plug with the plug of the new wiring harness. This is the original car USB connector. This is the original car radio connector. The following demonstrates how to connect the rear view camera. Connect the power cord and signal cable for the rear view camera. Connect the other end of the extension cable to the 10-pin reverse video output plug. Then, connect the red wire from the power cable to the extended red wire from the signal cable. Connect this combined red wire to the positive terminal plus of the car's reverse light. Connect the black wire to the negative terminal of the car's reverse light. After removing the original radio, be sure to install the two clips on it onto the new radio. All cable harness connectors are plug and play with OEM connectors. The remaining connectors on the original vehicle require no further handling.